What do you hear? I can't hear anything. Can you? This is Charlie. This is Pauline. Charlie and Pauline live in a world with no sound. A silent world. Charlie and Pauline are both very happy. Charlie and Pauline are very happy. Charlie and Pauline are not very happy. Why aren't they happy? Charlie and Pauline can't hear anything. And they can't make any sounds either. They're not happy living in a silent world.
To meet you.
La 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 la.
It's all right. There's no need to shout. We can hear you.
And I can hear you.
Everyone can hear you because you're too noisy. Be quiet.
But I don't want to be quiet. I want to hear the sounds. I want to make the noise.
Why do you want to hear the sounds? Why do you want to make noise? There's too much noise here already.
But these sounds are nice. I like them.
Me too.
There's no need to argue. Why don't you both just go and collect the sounds you like?
Who's that?
I don't know, but he keeps on talking to us.
Well,
what?
She said, why don't we collect some sounds?
I know what he said, but how are we going to collect those sounds? Oh! I'll take Jordan with me.
And Amy will help me.
Come on.
Now what do you hear, Amy?
Oh, I can hear the sound of the water.
Oh, water. I like that.
Jordan, what do you hear?
I can hear the boats in the harbor.
Yes, so can I. Isn't it fantastic? But do you think it's loud enough?
Can you see me, Amy?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
What can you hear now, Amy?
I can hear the music of the piano.
Can you hear this, Jordan?
Yes, I can hear this.
What do you hear?
I hear you banging the drums.
Really?
I also hear you shouting.
Charlie, you're too noisy.
You be quiet! You are interrupting my music! How can I concentrate with all this noise?
What can you hear, Amy?
Oh, I can hear the birds singing. What's that noise?
What can you see?
I can see you! I can see the lion dance!
What can you hear?
I can hear the lion dance!
Why must you keep on spoiling the sounds we like?
Why don't both of you go off in different directions and record the sounds you like?
Good idea.
Yes. Let's do that. Come on.
I'm going to listen to some of the sounds I collected.
And I'm going to listen to some of the sounds that I collected.
Right, this is what I collected. This is what I can hear.
And this is what I can hear. I can hear a rat.
I can hear a parrot.
I can hear a train.
I can hear an aeroplane.
I can hear thunder and lightning.
I can hear an explosion.
I can hear the loudest, most powerful sound in the world.
Look, you both being too noisy! Could you please both be quiet, please?
Yes, that's enough. I don't think that either of you knows how to behave in a world of sound. You are both too noisy.
Hello. Hello. I think they have learned their lesson. I think they will behave now. They understand that there are all kinds of sounds in the world.
Really?
Yes.
Do you want me to give them another chance?
This music is so beautiful.
Yes, this music's very beautiful.
What do you hear?